In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete member pages in Wix. Whether you're looking to clean up your website or just make it more user-friendly, knowing how to manage your member pages is an essential skill. Let's dive into it step by step. First, we need to access the Wix website. So open your browser and navigate to wix.com. Once you're on the Wix homepage, make sure to log into your account if you aren't already. It's important to ensure you're on the correct account where your site is located. Once you are logged in, head over to your user dashboard where all your websites are listed. If you have multiple sites, select the one that you want to edit. Next, we need to click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor, which allows you to make changes to your website. The Wix editor provides a visual interface that's quite intuitive, making it easy to see what changes you're making as you go along. Wait a moment for the editor to load. There can be quite a bit of data being processed, so this step might take a few seconds depending on the complexity of your site. Now that the editor is open, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see an icon that resembles a page. Go ahead and click on that. This icon opens up the site menu, displaying all the different pages you have created on your website. It's a great way to get an overview of how your website is structured and navigate quickly to the next step. Once you see the list of pages, scroll until you find the section labeled Members Area. Clicking on Members Area will show you the individual pages that are specific to your site's members. These might include member profile pages, forums, or other member-related sections that are part of the site's community aspect. Now, to identify the page you wish to delete, click on it so it's selected. Once the page you want to remove is highlighted, look for the three dots, usually on the right side or at the bottom of the page title. Clicking on these dots will activate a drop-down menu that provides a few options regarding that page. Finally, to delete the page, simply click on the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A confirmation prompt will likely appear, asking if you truly want to remove the page. Confirm your choice, and the page will be deleted from your site. Remember, deleting a page is permanent, so be sure it's no longer needed. And there you have it. Your member page is now deleted from Wix. This action can help manage your content and ensure your website is exactly how you want it to be. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials on managing your Wix website.